Hello, I'm MD Jishan from BIONS, and in this video, I will be testing actually the two products, BIONS product, diabetic retinopathy analysis and skin cancer classification. Let's just start both of the product right now. Quick. So both of the product have been started. Now you will just select the images and you will actually predict those images to be the diabetic retinopathy or not diabetic retinopathy. And there is the other factors have been given or prediction have been given that image to be the diabetic retinopathy or non, and there have been classes no DR, mild, moderate, severe, and these four classes comes into the non-proliferative DR, and this one is the proliferative DR. So let's just actually just choose the images and go with the this is the these are the images that we are here testing. So let's just go with this image, and on two images we'll be testing. So we'll take couple of seconds. So let's go with this prediction part, and by the time we will actually give you a little more analysis about the skin cancer classification system for pigmented skin lesions too. So this is a skin cancer classification system where we actually take the images of your mole and will predict those images to be the melanoma or the cancerous tissue or not. So these are other this melanoma probability is 0.00021, and here are other classes of the skin cancer have been given BCC, AK, and was BKL, and the score predicted score for those classes. Here we will also will select the images and we'll go with the classification. So by the time we'll just wait for a while because the images are big, so that's why it's taking a little time. uh, it will be done in a second. So here we go, it's done. So this two images have been actually classified, and this first image is of the type moderate diabetic retinopathy to be the 63% factor, and this one is also moderate type and 65% accuracy. So these two have been classified, and now let's go with the skin cancer classification. Here we will also go with the two images, two test images. So here the melanoma test images have been given. Let's just go with these two images and we'll predict on these two images. It will also take, because here we are using five models, five ensemble models, that's why it will take a little time. So here we go. This has been predicted by our virtual machine, and the images will load in a second because the connection is a little not that so better. So this one image, as you see, this one image has a melanoma probability of 0.1, which is it's almost no melanoma, and having the highest score for the unknown class of skin cancer, and the second is the nevus. This one is having 0.00164. This one is also not melanoma, and it's having the factor of 8.48 to be the nevus class for the skin cancer. So this was the two product, and this was a quick demo, and we are working on deploying some rest of the products too. Skin cancer we have deployed, diabetic retinopathy we have deployed. Now we will mostly go for the intracranial hemorrhage detection, or mostly with the CT scans. CT scans, and the CT scans will also come to the thoracic, that's pulmonary embolism detection and chest CT scans. Currently we are not going for the x-rays because x-rays just contains one images, two images that can be easily even identified by some of the radiologists, but CT scans contains hundreds of images in the factor of 64. As the resolution you will increase sector 64 as of the 64 times to 128 to 56, and goes on as you will increase the resolution. So that's why we are going for the CT scan images. So we'll be deploying intracranial hemorrhage detections and some other in the thoracic and abdomen region of body. That's it.